Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Are you thinking of giving your bathroom a fresh new look? Or maybe you're building a new home and want to find the perfect shower setup? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into the top 5 best shower kits that will transform your bathroom into a relaxing oasis. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. So, let's get started. Starting off our list is the DreamLine Encore Bypass Shower Door and Base Kit. This 2-piece shower kit is made to be installed in an alcove with pre-existing tiles. The kit includes a black slip-resistant shower pan that measures 60 inches wide by 32 inches deep. Its tall black frame holds 2 sliding glass doors, giving the shower a sleek, modern appearance. The frame is 78.75 inches high by 60 inches wide. The shower pan has a glossy acrylic finish that resists scratching and stains. The tempered glass doors slide on gliding rollers to open and close smoothly, and they boast a Clear Max coating that's resistant to water and stains. Next up, we have the DreamLine Prism Plus Neo Angle Shower Enclosure. This corner shower kit by DreamLine has a slip-resistant textured base that measures 42 inches in width by 42 inches in depth. Plus, an acrylic coating protects it from scratches and stains. 2 glass panels and a hinged glass door allow for entry and exit. The frameless glass door design pairs well with the low-profile shower base. Each piece of glass features a Clear Max coating that resists water streaks and stains. Buyers will want to keep in mind that this shower kit does not come with walls. It requires either tiled walls in place or the purchase of either compatible prefabricated shower walls to protect drywall or waterproof wallboard behind the shower. Moving on to our third pick, the Vigo Winslow Frameless Sliding Door Shower Enclosure, designed for a curbless shower space with 2 pre-tiled shower walls. This rectangular corner-style shower kit comes with 2 glass wall panels, a glass door, and stainless steel hardware for mounting. The narrow wall panel and glass door make up one side of the rectangular enclosure that measures 74 inches high by 47 inches wide. The broad wall panel makes up the other side of the rectangular enclosure and measures 74 inches high by 35 inches deep. This kit has a frameless design, with a stainless steel drain and wall mounting brackets to anchor and reinforce the glass panels and door. The pre-drilled tempered glass door can be installed to open to the left or to the right depending on the bathroom layout and personal preference. This kit does not come with back walls or a shower pan. Our fourth pick is the DreamLine Visions White Alcove Shower Kit. The DreamLine Visions Alcove Shower Kit is a fantastic buy for those who want the convenience of a shower kit, but don't want to skip out on the customization of tiling. Since it's just 2 pieces, the base and the door, you can set up the rest of the shower however you'd like. It's ideal for customized accents and details, and its versatile nature gives you so many options. This straightforward shower kit is also highly accessible, with a design that provides a wider entryway in and out of the shower. That innovative, low-threshold design is also ideal for anyone who's short on space in their bathroom. The trim of the semi-frameless design is made of anodized aluminum that can be adjusted up to 1 inch per side. And because it's nice and wide, you'll have plenty of room to add a bench seat inside if you'd like. Installation is surprisingly simple, but it'll be easier and more efficient if you have the help of an additional person. The kit comes with everything you need: the shower door and left drain base plus hardware. Last but certainly not least, we have the Zippity Outdoor Products Outdoor Shower Enclosure Kit. If you have a swimming pool or live near the beach, you'll love the option of having an outdoor shower for both cleansing and changing before heading inside the house. We love the Zippity Outdoor Products Vinyl Hampton Outdoor Shower Kit because it has a very flexible freestanding design that can be installed just about anywhere you can run plumbing. With this kit, you'll get 3 walls and a hinged door, as well as 4 sturdy posts and a ceiling, though you don't have to use this part if you prefer a more open-air shower. When assembled, the white vinyl looks sleek and blends nicely with just about any outdoor patio or yard aesthetic. Unfortunately, the kit does have one drawback. Reviewers note that it arrives missing a few elements you'll need for proper installation. It lacks ground mounting brackets to keep it in place, and it doesn't include a shower head or plumbing parts. And there you have it, the top 5 best shower kits for your bathroom makeover. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. If you found this video helpful, Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and reviews. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy remodeling!